Here is number with rational powers. How do you simplify this without using a calculator? At the end of the lesson, you should be able to recall the laws of exponents for natural numbers. State the law of exponents for negative and rational powers. Simplify irrational expression using the laws of exponents for real numbers. In our daily life, we have come across very large or very small numbers when expressing mass of the earth, that is 6 into 10 to the power of 24 kgs. When computing compound interest, half-life of radioactive decay, or in other scientific notations. Can you recall what are numbers raised to powers called? Yes, they are called exponential terms. Here, in the exponential term, 10 raised to the power of 24. 10 is the base and 24 is the exponent or power. Now, observe the following numbers. 5 to the power of 7 into 5 to the power of 3. 7x cubed to the power of 5. 5 square divided by 5 to the power of 6. 5 raised to the power of minus 4 into 6 raised to the power of minus 4. Do you remember how to convert the number coefficient to a product of its prime factors? Yes, we can solve them by using the laws of exponents that we have studied in our earlier classes. The exponent laws are the tools needed for working with expressions involving exponents. They are stated precisely as given below. If a, n and m are natural numbers where a is the base and m and n are exponents, then number 1, am into an is equal to am plus n. 2, am into n is equal to am into n. 3, am by an is equal to am minus n. 4, am into bm is equal to ab into m. Take the expression 5 to the power of 7 into 5 to the power of 3. Applying the exponential law am into an, that is equal to am plus n, we get 5 to the power of 7 into 5 to the power of 3 is equal to 5 to the power of into 7 plus 3, that is equal to 5 to the power of 10. Now, take the expression 7x cubed to the power of 5. Applying the exponential law am into n is equal to amn, we get 7 to the power of 5 x cubed into power of 5 is equal to 7 to the power of 5 x to the power of 15. Similarly, applying the law of exponent am by an is equal to am minus n, we get 5 square divided by 5 to the power of 6 is equal to 5 raised to the power of 2 minus 6, that is equal to 5 raised to the power of minus 4, which is equal to 1 by 5 to the power of 4, that is equal to 1 by 625. 5 raised to the power of minus 4 into 6 raised to the power of minus 4 is equal to 5 into 6 raised to the power of minus 4, that is equal to 30 raised to the power of minus 4, which is equal to 1 by 30 raised to the power of 4. Now, take a look at the simplification of numbers with negative exponents. 5 raised to the power of 7 into 5 raised to the power of minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to the power 7 minus 3, that is equal to 5 raised to the power 4. 7x cubed raised to the power of minus 5 is equal to 7 raised to the power of minus 5 x raised to the power of minus 15. That is equal to 1 by 7 raised to the power of 5 into x raised to the power of 15. 5 square divided by 5 raised to the power of minus 6 is equal to 5 raised to the power of 2 plus 6 is equal to 5 raised to the power of 8. 2 raised to the power of minus 4 into 5 raised to the power of minus 4 is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 4. We can find that the law of exponents can be extended to negative exponents too. What happens when the index is not an integer but is a rational number? To find this out, let us take the number that has rational numbers as its exponent. 27 raised to the power 2 by 3. This can be represented in the following way. 27 raised to the power 2 by 3 is equal to 27 square raised to the power 1 by 3, that is equal to 729 raised to the power 1 by 3, that is equal to 9. Thus, in the language of exponents, we defined nth root of a as a raised to 1 by n. Find the value of 32 raised to the power 2 by 5. In the given number, the base 32 can be written as 2 raised to 5 whole raised to 2 by 5. Cancelling the number 5, we get 2 to the power of 2, which is equal to 4. So, the value of 32 raised to the power 2 by 5 is equal to 4. Thus, we can say if a is greater than 0 is a real number, and if m and n are integers such that m and n have no common factors other than 1 and n greater than 0, then a raised to the power of m by n is equal to n square root a raised to the power m, that is equal to n square root a raised to the power m. The law of exponents can be further extended to numbers which have real numbers at its base and its exponents are rational numbers. Simplifying using the laws of exponents for real numbers: 1. 243 by 32 raised to the power of minus 4 by 5. This expression is written as 3 to the power of 5 divided by 2 to the power of 5 raised to the power minus 4 by 5. Applying the exponential law, we get 3 raised to the power of 5 into minus 4 by 5 divided by 2 raised to the power of 5 into minus 4 by 5 is equal to 3 by 2 raised to the power minus 4, that is equal to 1 by 3 by 2 raised to the power of 4, that is equal to 2 to the power of 4 divided by 3 to the power of 4, that is equal to 16 by 81. 125 raised to the power minus 1 by 3. Applying the exponential laws, we get 5 raised to the power 3 into minus 1 by 3 is equal to 5 raised to the power minus 1, that is equal to 1 by 5. 3. 256 by 81 raised to the power 5 by 4. This can be written as 4 to the power of 4 divided by 3 to the power of 4 raised to the power 5 by 4. Applying the exponential laws and simplifying, we get 4 raised to the power of 4 into 5 by 4 divided by 3 raised to the power 4 into 5 by 4 is equal to 4 raised to the power 5 divided by 3 raised to the power 5, that is equal to 4 by 3 raised to the power 5. Simplify: x raised to the power minus 2 by 3, y raised to the power minus 1 by 2 whole square. The given expression is rewritten using the law of exponents as x raised to the power minus 2 by 3 into 2 into y raised to the power minus 1 by 2 into 2, that is equal to x raised to the power minus 4 by 3 into y raised to the power minus 1. Applying the laws of negative exponents, we get 1 divided by x raised to the power of 4 by 3 into y. Thus, we can summarize the laws of exponents for real numbers. If a greater than 0 is a real number and p and q are rational numbers, then number 1, ap into aq is equal to ap plus q. 2, ap into q is equal to a into pq. 3, ap by aq is equal to ap minus q. 4, ap into bp is equal to ab into p.